What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today I'm gonna do a little bit of work to this Draco 9S. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the muzzle device that I have decided to put on this, the muzzle device that I chosen for this 9S. And just to recap on some of my other NAC 9s, here's one of my NAC 9s. This is the just regular NAC 9, I guess, since that's a 9S. And this one has the WAS Wood Twerks wood on it. And this is just a muzzle device that I picked up off of eBay. And if you search 1/2 by 2/8 muzzle device on eBay, this will pop up in several different colors and several different lengths. So I decided to go with the gold one to match the gold that I have on this weapon. So just one of my NAC 9s right here. And hold on, here's another one of my NAC 9s that I have Kalashnikov wood on it. And this muzzle device is actually from US Machine Guns. US Machine Guns. This is called the Vented Stone Crusher. I believe that's the name. Yeah, Vented Stone Crusher. And like I say, it's on US Machine Guns. And this is also just a regular NAC 9, and the NAC 9 takes Glock magazines, so both of these will take Glock magazines, and I have this Pro Mag Curve Mag on both of these. All right, so let's go ahead and get a better look at this 9S. All right, so here is the Draco 9S, and this uses Scorpion magazines, and it comes with the thread protector on it. And anybody who's been on my channel knows that this does not stay on my weapon. I never ever leave the thread protectors on my Dracos. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. And what I'm going to put on here is let's see, you may have heard of this. This is the Sharps Brothers Badlands. Sharps Brothers Badlands muzzle brake. You find these for about $100, $100 and some dollars, a little over $100, something like that. So just search it, you'll find it. Not hard to find. And I put that on there. I don't even really think I need a crush washer on here. Let's go ahead and put this on here. Screw it down. And that's what the finished product is going to look like on here. See if you guys can see that. All right. The first little step in working on this Draco 9S. This Draco 9S, and I like this. And you know what? I think nah. It's cool. I like this. I think that it looks pretty good on it. And like I say, this is just the first step of doing something to this weapon, other than putting the sight on it. But this is just the first step, and of course all of this wood has to go, and this grip has to go. And basically in a video I just did for, you got to go check out this video for the Micro Visca. I am going to take the comments out of that video and give away this furniture and the furniture off of my Micro Visca. I'm gonna next week, I'm gonna give it a week, and I'm gonna go in, and everybody who said they want it, I'm gonna let my wife pick the winner. She's gonna pick a winner who says they want the furniture for the Micro Visca, and she's also gonna pick the winner for the one who said they want the furniture off of this Draco 9S. So go to that video and let me know what you want, and out of that pool of people, I'm gonna send this furniture to them if you want it. Like I said, because I don't, and I actually have a bin full of furniture that I am not using, and I'm gonna start giving away. It is time to get rid of it, as it's just taking up space, because I'm not going to put it back on the weapon. Not putting it back on the weapon. And for those who like to see, yes, it is empty. But yeah, that's the first little part of hooking this up. So you definitely need to go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. And make sure you hit the notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.